In this video, we're going to look at how you can back up your playlists or share them with other users of Music Bingo Card Generator. You might have a company and have multiple hosts, and you want to distribute the playlists amongst all your hosts. This is the way you do it. So basically, all you need to do is come in and click on Export, and it will prompt you for the file name, and we'll say yes, save it like that. And that's saved as a zip file. You can put that onto a thumb drive or whatever else. Once again, use it as a backup or share it. If you want to share it with somebody, I'll just delete this playlist here. All right, so it's gone. And so if you then give it to somebody and they need to import it into their system, you just click on Import Playlist, and there's the file there. You select it, open it, and it's imported, and it's sitting back here. So that's importing, exporting, and sharing playlists.